Hi, this is Jeannie Marie with Four Paws Acupuncture. And with everything going on in the planet and the economy, I know that all those with pets are probably feeling the pinch of money, especially around the holidays. And health care for your pets has been increasing in cost as well as humans. So there's a few things you could do at home for free to help your pet ease their symptoms, ease their pain, and I'm going to talk about it in this short video, period. I am a licensed acupuncturist with a veterinary practice, and not everyone can afford acupuncture for their pets, and I totally understand this. Some people can't even afford it for themselves. I totally understand this too. I also treat humans. So let's talk about how you can ease your pet's pain, and I'm going to describe to you the difference between acupuncture and acupressure for people and pets. Acupuncture versus acupressure. What's the difference? This video is taken from my Udemy online class, Basic Canine Acupressure for Dog Owners, which can also be applied to cat owners as well. And I will leave information about this class in the description box below. Chinese medical theory states that disease is a result of a blockage of energy of flow, known as qi, along pathways in the body. Inserting needles or massaging into these pathways will unblock the energy and restore health. With acupuncture, needles are inserted into acupuncture points. Just so you know, these points can also be called acupressure points if you're using them for acupressure. The advantage of using acupuncture is that many points can be stimulated all at the same time. For instance, sometimes when I treat a dog, I may use up to 10 to 12 needles at one time on the body and let them sit for a couple minutes. As opposed to when you do acupressure, you can really only massage 1 or 2 points at the same time. These acupuncture points or needles, they kind of talk to each other. They're moving energy around the body, and they work as a team when certain protocols are used. So for instance, I might use a set of points specifically as a team to get rid of a headache, or a set of points perhaps for PMS or things like that, whereas it would be hard to do that with acupressure. So because of the fact that you can use more points at the same time in acupuncture instead of acupressure, it's usually more effective if you're treating a specific diagnosis or ailment. However, please note, this class, you're not going to learn how to do acupuncture in it. Depending on what state or country you are in, there are rules and regulations to first become a licensed acupuncturist. In the United States, you have to go to school, grad school, for at least 3 to 5 years, depending on the state, and then you have to do an internship, you have to take state boards and national boards, and then become licensed. Attempting to do acupuncture without proper training can be dangerous and even fatal to the patient, and it's also illegal. So please do not do acupuncture on your dog. Become a licensed acupuncturist if that's what you want to do. During a session, a licensed acupuncturist may also use lasers, moxibustion, tuning forks, infrared heat lamps, prescribe Chinese herbs, recommend lifestyle changes, things like that. Just so you know, it takes at least 4 to 6 acupuncture sessions in a row to notice a major improvement in the symptoms. Now, sometimes a patient might notice an improvement after the first session, but for something more chronic or long-term, it is going to take at least 4 to 6 sessions in a row to notice something. Whereas with acupressure, the main thing you're doing here is relieving pain. So the dog may be much calmer after a session, may walk a little bit better, and maybe some of the pain has decreased after the first session. The nice thing about acupressure is it's non-invasive. You don't need any special instruments, just your hands. It's safe unless one uses too much force during a session. It's legal for you to massage your own dog or your loved ones. And depending on what state or country you are in, there may be regulations for animal massage therapists. And another nice thing, acupressure can be done at home for free. You can learn how to do basic acupressure for your pets online at your own pace. I have an online class, and all the information will be in the description box below. There is a sale link for the holidays, so check that out. It's a good gift to give pet owners, and of course, it's a good gift to give to your pet. Something you can do at home and something you can use on yourself as well. There are a few books out there with instructions all about acupressure for your pets, and I will cover these books in a separate video at another time. Our book, Barkopedia, the Canine Book of Knowledge, has a few chapters in it all about acupressure for dogs with specific points to use for certain ailments and pain, and it's available on Amazon. If you want to learn more about herbal and homeopathic remedies, nutritional tips, crystals, healing flower remedies, and other forms of holistic medicine for your pets, please visit my website, fourpawsacupuncture.com, and you can see the list of all 14 online classes that I have. Now, here's a tip. If you want a sale link, a sale code to buy one of these classes, just contact me through the website. I'll be happy to send you if there's a link for that month. Online classes make great gifts for pet lovers as well. Thanks so much. Please visit the Four Paws Acupuncture website for information on holistic pet services, barking Zoom consultations, online classes for people and pets, healing pet amulets, and books for people and pets. And thanks so much for helping us at the Four Paws Acupuncture YouTube channel by liking, subscribing, and sharing. Have a pawsome day.